Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today we're going to be making quick and easy chicken fajitas. So I have here 3 medium chicken breasts that I sliced into thin strips. And the way I did it was I split the chicken breasts in half and then I just cut it into strips. So over these chicken breasts, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use canola oil, safflower oil, whatever type of oil you have on hand. And my chicken's at room temperature as well. I had it out for about 45 minutes. I'm going to add my spices, and that is 1.5 teaspoons of 1 teaspoon of paprika and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And also I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then I have this chili lime seasoning blend here that I got from my friend Leanne in California. She sent this to me. If you don't have chili lime seasoning, just use whatever you like. So I'm going to add, I think I'm just going to add about a half a teaspoon because this is my first time using it. I don't know exactly how hot it is, how spicy it is. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Oh, there's one more thing I'm going to add is some liquid smoke, and I'm using hickory liquid smoke. I'm going to put over about a teaspoon. So a teaspoon of that liquid smoke. I'm going to mix everything together. And I'm going to be heating my skillet on high. Now you can let this sit on the chicken for, a couple of hours if you desire. It's totally up to you. So I'm using the electric skillet by Zojirushi. I love this thing. It's non-stick. It heats well. Super easy to clean. So I have it heating on high, and I added a couple of teaspoons of olive oil, and I'm just gonna put my chicken breast in. I'm gonna use my chicken breast to swirl the oil around. Don't overcrowd your pan because you don't want the chicken breast to sweat. So I'm gonna just cook all the chicken. It might take about 6 minutes. I'm gonna flip it, let it go for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides, 6 to 8 minutes. So my chicken's been going for about 7 minutes and it's done. I use my thermometer to take the temp. So just cook all your remaining chicken the same way. Now that all of my chicken is cooked, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of some more oil. And then I have here green peppers, red peppers, and orange bell peppers that I just sliced. I'm just going to let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm still working on high heat. So my peppers has been going for about 4 minutes. And I have just 1 medium-sized onion that I just sliced in half and went down the middle to do a thin sort of julienne slice. So we're going to cook the onions for about 1 minute and give everything a toss. So the onions have been going for about a minute. So now I'm just going to return the cooked chicken back to everything. I'm going to give it a toss, and I'm going to turn the heat down to about medium, just to allow everything to sort of heat back up and let some of those onion and pepper flavors sort of meld with the chicken. So I'm going to cover this. I don't have my lid right here beside me, but I am going to cover this and just let this go for about 5 minutes. Here everybody, here's the final of the chicken fajitas. It smells amazing. I have some tortillas here that I warmed up a bit. I'm just going to place some of that on there. Now if you want to add lime and sour cream and cheese and lettuce, you could, but I just like my fajitas just like this. Please hit that thumbs up, share this video, add it to your playlist, please comment. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Wow. It's so delicious. You have the smoky flavors from the chili lime seasoning with the paprika, the nice aroma from the garlic. You got the sweetness from the peppers and the onions. It's really amazing. Please try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out if you try it. If you're on Instagram, please follow me there. If you ever took pictures of some of my recipes that you made at home, upload them to Instagram and tag me there. Please remember to live and be well, and let's just continue to pray that everything just begins to get better in this world. I appreciate all of you so much for subscribing and supporting me. I'll see you guys soon.